but you feel the heat. Be real with me, keep it 100, just be real with me.
I should've told you that I'm sorry. I was selfish working on me. Time moves fast just like a.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing the sister tag with Ema. What's up? With my sister Ema. Yeah, so I found some questions online, of course, on the internet, and I'm about to go through them. And we're just gonna give you guys some insight into our relationship as sisters. Okay. I am 18. Oh shoot, I'm 19. My birthday was like 2 weeks ago.
You were waiting to get.
Okay, okay, I'm 19 years old, and
I'm 20.
So, fun fact, we're the same age for 9 days every year. I was born December 8th, and she is
20.
December 17th. Okay. So, number one, who's the oldest and youngest? She's older.
I'm the oldest.
I'm younger. But people always ask if we're twins, so we might as well be the same age. So the second question is, what do you like and not like about your sister?
One thing I like about you is that you are a good listener. You're helpful. You're a good listener and you're helpful. So like, if I have a problem, like if we have issues when you talk about something, or I need to talk about something, I can go to you and I can rely on the fact that you'll be there. Mm-hmm. One thing I dislike about you is your impatience. She's just impatient at small things, like if something isn't exactly perfectly clean the way she wants right now.
I'm organized and she's not organized, and because of that we butt heads on that sometimes, but I mean that's not that deep, you know.
It's not that deep.
Yes. I like that you're so supportive. Actually, you kind of always know what to say. Like whenever I call you and I'm like not feeling well or like whatever's going on with me, you know like what to say, and so I'm really appreciative of that. And what do I not like? Yeah, the fact that you're like unorganized. That's like the only thing. Actually, that's not the only thing. Okay, that's not the only thing. What do you and your sister have in common?
We like similar food. Do you like boba?
Yeah, I like boba.
Okay, so we both like boba. We like similar food.
We do like similar food.
We listen to similar music.
Yeah, we do listen to similar music.
We like similar clothes.
No, like we have different aesthetics, I would say, overall, but like we kind of dress very similarly, I would say.
Yeah. And like we also like the same type of guys. Well, not the same type of guys, but we like the same things in guys.
That's true. Maybe it's
but we like different types of guys.
We do have very different
tastes. Anyway, let's move on.
Describe your sister in one word.
Thoughtful.
Wow. Describe your sister in one word. If I were to describe you in one word, I'd say you're supportive. You're intelligent. I think you're intelligent. Have you ever liked one of her friends? Ooh. Have you ever liked one of my friends?
Yeah. Cause one time, I don't know if I can say this because your friends will probably watch this. Anyway, one time I was somewhere that Asha wasn't, and someone saw her. Tell people your business.
Interesting. I mean, I didn't answer the question at all.
Yeah, I did. It said, when did you lie to someone's friend?
No, the question is, have you ever liked one of my friends? I was like, where are you going with this? Have you ever liked one of my friends?
No, I haven't. I haven't.
Have you ever liked one of your friends?
Yeah, have you?
No, probably no. I don't think so.
Mm-hmm.
What's your nickname people call you?
Eames.
Osh.
No one calls her Osh. That doesn't even make sense.
You call me AshaTalia. AshaTalia. Because my first name is Asha, my middle name is Talia, and so I've always wanted to like get a nickname. So I said, my name is AshaTalia. You can call me Asha for short.
Wait.
to clean her room.
Asha, let's move on.
I do. What does your sister think about the most?
Boss moves.
Facts? Yeah, I do think about boss moves a lot.
And
but I feel like you do too.
Exactly. So I think that both of us, we both think about that the most.
Yeah, we're always strategizing to see like what's the next step up, what's the next step forward,
What's the next move,
how we can get to the next level.
and we're very entrepreneurial.
Yeah.
You know.
And so,
Yeah.
boss moves. Who reads more?
Is that the right form?
I think you read articles more, and I would probably read actual books more.
I think that's true.
Yeah. What is your sister really bad at? You're pretty bad at staying organized.
And you're pretty bad at communication.
Yikes.
No, I'm kidding. I mean, not really. Like, you have trouble communicating actually how you feel. Like, that's actually, not communication in general, but communication about how you actually feel about a certain thing, I would say.
That's true.
It takes some digging.
Yeah, she's very open about how she feels about different things compared to me, where I'm a bit more, not guarded, but like, guarded, I guess. Heels or flats?
You would probably say heels.
Dang, I really thought you were gonna get flats for me, but I'm yeah, heels. And I was gonna say heels for you too, but like low key,
Flat.
yeah, flats.
Yeah.
That is so crazy because people probably think that like I'm flats and you're heels.
I was just never like a heels person. Like,
That's so crazy to me though. I don't know, like you're more.
my aesthetic is more like, oh, of course I would have heels.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
that is my aesthetic, but like, I actually cannot take heels for too long. Plus, the way my campus is set up, there's a lot of walking, so just heels anywhere is really unrealistic. And like, I don't know, I never really gotten into heels like that.
Are you close?
Yeah, we're close.
What's one thing you can do that your sister can't?
Sing.
Sing. Yeah, she can sing. I can sing this much. And probably for me like artsy stuff. Okay, so my camera died while we were filming the last question.
It happens, you know.
But
no one's perfect.
thank you guys for watching.
Thank you so much for watching.
And we're definitely gonna have more videos together. I'll have more videos with this girl.
A lot more. In fact, you know, this might just become our channel.
And and we'll have a lot of amazing content coming soon.
Yes.
And yeah, comment if there's anything you want to see us do or anything you want to see me do.
Any other tags you think we should do?
Yeah, and
stay awesome.
And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Yes.
I should've told you that I'm sorry. I was selfish working